Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to your daily operations weather brief for Friday, June 7th. Actually, seeing just partly cloudy skies out there. Not really a bad morning at all, with a good amount of sunshine. That is expected to change, though, as we go towards this late afternoon, as clouds are expected to increase, as well as expecting a slight chance of a shower. Rain chances aren't quite as high as we were thinking they were going to be yesterday, but still can't rule out a shower today, and then we are going to be seeing that rain return early next week. Taking a look at our surface analysis, we do have a stationary boundary across the southern portions of the area, across far southern Delmarva and the Tidewater and area south. They are expecting to get quite a bit of rain this afternoon. Some of that rain could make it as far north as here as Wallops, but only expecting about a 20 to 30% chance of that happening late this afternoon and into this evening. As of 8:15 a.m., we are seeing just a few clouds at 12,000 feet, scattered at 15,000, broken at 25,000. Winds were easterly from azimuth 070 to 11 knots. Temperature running 76 degrees, so a rather mild morning here with relative humidity 80%. Taking a look at our satellite, you see we're actually in a little bit of a clear hole here across the mid-Atlantic. Most of the rest of the mid-Atlantic is seeing overcast skies, especially across Virginia and North Carolina there. It does look like we should continue to see some sunshine for at least the next few hours, but eventually as we go in towards the afternoon, that overcast cloud cover is going to make its way over here, and we'll start to see mostly cloudy to overcast skies, as well as that slight chance of a shower. Taking a look at our short-term weather model for this afternoon, we are going to be seeing dry conditions at least through the early afternoon hours, and then you see that broad area of showers and thunderstorms expected to develop west of the bay and over Virginia, and some of that light rain could possibly drift over here. Most of this shown on this model is expected to just evaporate before hitting the surface, I think, but still going to be seeing 20 to 30% chance of some very light isolated showers this afternoon through about midnight tonight. Taking a look at our forecast for today, we are going to be seeing those temperatures climb to 79 degrees. I think we're going to see our high before noon today, and then that easterly wind will allow the easterly wind as well as that increasing cloud cover will allow those temperatures to drop off after noon into the mid-70s. And then we are going to be running that chance of just some scattered light showers, only looking like a 20 to 30% chance at this time between about 4 p.m. and midnight. We're going to be seeing our low drop to around 68 degrees. After midnight, should see those clouds clear out a little bit, becoming partly sunny by mid-morning Saturday. We are going to continue to see easterly winds around 9 to 14 knots for much of the day today, becoming 6 to 11 knots overnight, then shifting northeasterly by mid-morning Saturday at 8 to 13 knots. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, going to continue to see those scattered to broken mid-level decks between 10 and 15,000 feet for the rest of the morning hours. After this afternoon, we are going to be seeing a few clouds near 6,000 feet develop, then possibly lower than that as we get to the late afternoon hours, with broken to overcast decks between 10 to 15,000 feet as that cloud cover that is currently west of the bay is expected to move over into our area. As we go into tonight, we are going to be seeing some lower clouds develop, but it should remain few to scattered between around 1,500 feet. By mid-morning tomorrow, it's just seeing a few clouds at 1,500 feet, few at 10,000, and then some scattered to broken upper-level cloud decks as well. For tomorrow, we're going to be looking at partly to perhaps mostly cloudy skies. We are going to be having high pressure build north of the area, and that's going to help tighten up the pressure gradient across the Delmarva. So it could be seeing some slightly breezy winds with a high of 77. Saturday night, we're going to be seeing the clouds increase across the region, looking like slightly breezy winds at times continuing. And then we're going to be seeing that stationary front start to move north closer to our region, seeing some slightly breezy winds continuing, and then we'll start to see rain chances increase as well, expecting a low of 68. On Sunday, that does look like we're going to see our rain chances increasing, especially here at Wallops. Could see conditions won't be so bad as when we go towards the Salisbury area and areas of north there. It looks like Wallops might be the northern extent of our persistent rainfall expected on Sunday, but it does look like it's going to be likely overcast on Sunday, expecting scattered showers, and even a slight chance of a thunderstorm is possible with continued breezy winds, expecting a high of 76. That'll do it for your daily operations weather brief. We'll be back at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing and extended outlook. Have a great day.